Senken Group Company Limited was founded in 1990, focused on police protection and safety precautions for nearly 30 years. Through unremitting efforts, Senken established the brand image of China Police Equipment Integrator in the main business area, leading the industry with a full range of products and one-stop service. Senken provides professional services for the Public Security Agency, Procuratorate, law enforcement, civil air defense, and military units. It continues to infiltrate the forefront of the development of the industry with its in-depth intelligence and information innovation applications. Senken supplies special vehicle warning products, special mobile lighting equipment, civil air defense equipment, anti-terrorism devices, tactical and armored products, video and audio law enforcement forensics system, vehicle intelligent police system, wireless transmission devices, equipment information management system. To diversify, individuality to fully meet customer needs, with integration, intelligence, and continuously improve product performance. Senken is increasingly become an outstanding force to promote the modernization of police equipment. Senken implemented technology to revitalize enterprises and established a perfect innovation mechanism. Senken hired Swedish communications technology experts, US explosion-proof experts, and Italian EMC experts, and introduced talents with an open attitude. Established cooperative relations with scientific research institutes and famous universities in China. And established provincial R&D centers, testing centers, introduced and trained many talents with technical expertise. Senken also had a team of technical talents in software and algorithms, image analysis, mechanical structures, electronics, microelectronics, materials, acoustics, optics, and obtained more than 200 national patents and hundreds of copyrights. Senken continues to innovate with new technologies, new processes, and new products. Senken introduced advanced modern production equipment, an ERP manufacturing logistics control platform, and through the machine substitution, performance improvement, and other measures to strengthen and improve the production, quality control, logistics, and service system, and meets the requirements of high standards, refinement, and zero defects, continuously improves management efficiency, realizes production capacity expansion, and improves product quality. All Senken products passed the qualified inspection by the National Quality Inspection Department, and they met the requirements of the national industry standards. Some products were certified by the CE, E-Mark, SAE, NRJ, and other international certifications. The warning products have ranked first in terms of sales volume in China for 20 consecutive years and have been exported to more than 60 countries and regions. Simultaneously, Senken has extended its R&D direction to the military industry with the integration of resource sharing and management, and has been actively developing the military product market, gradually forming a unified military and police, domestic and foreign market structure. Senken will always be at the forefront of technology, complying with market demands, increase research and development efforts, and promote the development of the industry. Senken will develop in a more in-depth direction with a brand image of police equipment integrators and make more contributions to the international security and the harmony of the society.